I want to tell you three things about our Greenwalls. It's cost effective, it's low maintenance, and it's built to last a lifetime or multiple lifetimes. The installation process is very simple. It can take 1 or 2 days, and it's very simple. We waterproof the wall, then we populate the wall with panels. We run the irrigation lines. The requirements are very simple. So we only need 1/2-inch PVC water feed or 3/4, depending on the size of the green wall. And we also need a 1-inch drain outlet. And fourth is essentially the planting. So we start planting, and planting is the last thing that we do. In 1 day, we can do up to 1,000 square feet of green wall. And you could see on this one, and let me show you just the plant selection. One thing you need to know about this green wall system here at Minotti is that it's been here for 3 years. It has required very little maintenance, an average 1 visit per year. So imagine you don't have to be slave into a maintenance or the system just works. And the pride for us is that many of architects, showrooms, clients, they continue to refer us to new customers, and that is really what we value the most, is the people that come in contact with us, the people that come in contact with our walls. They fall in love and they see the simplicity of the system, and that is really what's valuable here. We give you as much return for your investment as possible. Not to mention the artistic capabilities that you will have to create beautiful and amazing green walls. Let me actually show you the different kind of plants that we have here. All right, so we connect with all of our customers. We can create any kind of design, from logos to modern patterns, or we can do something a little more eclectic and colorful. In this particular case, we wanted to do a design that was full diversity. So there is not any specific patterns, it's just plants, okay? So, but still, we created the plants in a way that we can appreciate the different kinds of textures. As you can see here, we have the Monstera deliciosa, also known as the Swiss cheese. This is how this plant grows. It's been here for over 2 years now. And the secret to the health of our plants in our system is that the plants are constrained in terms of the root. The root grow is constrained. So the foliage is growing, but the root stays small. So what happens over time is that this reduces the cost of the maintenance. So we don't have to be maintaining the green walls as much. Again, practical, efficient, and simple. Okay, and you can see how these plants are doing great after so many years. You can even appreciate the shine on the plants. We can see that they are just really very healthy. One plant in particular that does great in any kind of condition is a prehistoric plant. So this plant survived the dinosaur era, and is the macho fern. We have macho ferns. We have the Kimberly ferns right here. We also have the white bird. That plant becomes almost like a tree, and it's amazing to see it there, okay? We also have the combination of pothos plant, Nientabella, China doll, which creates almost like a bush type of texture. And again, this has been here with a very little maintenance, little to no maintenance whatsoever. And we can, just appreciate the goodness of nature. We can sit here at a space like this and relax and just enjoy nature, enjoy the plants, and de-stress, decompress, and just renew your spirit with nature. We welcome you here. Text us, call us, email us and make an appointment. We'd love to show you around and show you our system and why is it practical and cost effective, so you can take a very, very close look and an informed decision when it comes to making a green wall investment. Thank you.